test that I'm going to show you is the calcium hardness test. This is a test that people don't like to do because it takes a little bit longer and it requires more reagent. But let's go ahead and show it and see what we test on this spot. So you take your comparator again, and you're using the large side of the comparator. You're going to take it, stay away from a return inlet, and you're going to go 18 inches down, theoretically your elbow. Collect your sample, come back up. Again, just like alkalinity, you're collecting the water sample and dumping it down to the 25 milliliter line in the middle of the big comparator side. So you want the curve of that water again at eye level to just the bottom of it, touching that line, so that we have an accurate sample for our test. Because it's very important to be accurate on our testing and do these tests properly so that we get accurate tests so that you know how much chemical to add to your swimming pool in an accurate amount. So with this calcium hardness test, you're going to take your R10, which is your calcium buffer, and you're going to add 20 drops. Yes, you heard that right, 20 drops, holding your bottle straight up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You're going to put this one away. You're going to swirl the mitts. And then you're going to take your next reagent, which is R11L, calcium indicator liquid. You're going to add 5 drops, again holding your bottle straight up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the sample should turn that pinkish red color when you swirl it. And there it is. Now you're going to take your third bottle with the blue cover, which is R12, which is a hardness reagent. And you're going to add it, drop, swirl, and you're going to count your drops until it goes to a blue color. That's when you stop, count your drops, multiply by 10. So let's go ahead and do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is where this test can take a while. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And we're there. So you take that 30 parts per million and you multiply that by 10, and you get 300 parts per million on your calcium hardness. The range you want on a swimming pool is from 200 to 400 parts per million, ideally.